Hello friends, welcome to my video, and once again this is going to be a great video. So let's start. So today I'll be teaching you how to create a hole in your phone. Yeah, you heard it right, it's a hole in your phone. So the thing you need to do is just one thing, just go to the Play Store. Yeah, the link is in the description. Basically you just need to click on it. So I'm just showing the app right now. It's just Tunnel Creator, I think. Yeah, Tunnel Live Wallpaper. Even if you do that, yeah, you can see the third one, Tunnel Live Wallpaper Creator. Just click on it. So I'm not updating it because I have already downloaded it. So let's take that Tunnel Creator. The link is in the description. You can just download it. And this is one of the video from our series, the application Review Mania. So just support us, click on that subscribe button if you need more videos just like this. So here you can, whatever you can do, you can change the shape of that tunnel circle. So the first thing you need to do is go to the settings. So you just need to enable the sensor. Without enabling the sensor, it will just a thing that goes down, but you need its effects. So just enable sensor, just do nothing. Now I am holding my phone in my hand, so when you tilt the phone you will see the effect. It's completely great. If you have downloaded, you just check it. So this is it. So now you can also change the pattern. You will see a 16 dot sign there. Click on it on the left, it's in the left. So you can actually change the pattern. You can see, yeah, you can see there are many patterns. So I'm choosing, yeah, just this one. So you can also have your photo on that box. So there you can click image and you can enable your photo. You can also click change the photo. Okay, you can see it's great. Basically that's great. I don't think so. So here to know, you will ask how to apply it. So for applying, just choose the nice one which you like. So I'll give this one. For me this looks the best. Now on the right you will see a down arrow button. Just click on that. Go to wallpapers, just do that. Now what you have to do is just to click on that set wallpaper on the right below. Okay, so you can see now I'm taking the phone in my hand. You can hear the voice. Nice. So when you tilt the app you can really feel it. You can see there's a hole. When you just what should I say, you will just drop from your hand when you see the effect. So basically, thanks for watching my video. You just click on that subscribe button if you can. I actually challenge you. So please support us. We have nothing to say else. So bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Click on that subscribe button, you fellow. Okay, bye. Really bye this time.